Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update on Bitcoin 1 hourly chart. First of all, I want to congratulate the ones who caught this short here. Okay, it's been already discussed in yesterday's analysis. If you guys have missed out, then just go back and check the previous video. There were like 3 or 4 videos because I have to cut it on Instagram. But in TikTok, I think I have cut only twice. So if you have missed out, it's in the playlist. Now, the second scenario, okay, we were playing the first scenario and that was this ABC. Okay, from the top here, this was your B wave, which I get into short here around that 80,440, exactly on that wick. And then I was expecting a move down. I was more interested in this 1618 correction here for this order block. I mean, definitely we can also get a bounce at this 1-to-1 zone here as well, coming back and clearing this liquidity. But however, this haven't played out, so we can throw this into the dustbin. Right now what we see is this price action here, and we have, okay, I have posted this in my story as well, this multi 1-2 invalidation. That is because here I can see a 1-2-1-2-1-2 structure. Until now, until here, I was thinking we might get that push up higher. I did not talk about this scenario in my last video because this wave here is slightly larger than this wave. So that was not the highest probability, so I did not discuss about this. And now this scenario anyway got invalidated. You see, this is a multi 1-2 invalidation where this 2 has to be kept. I mean, this higher low has to prevail. I mean, you cannot breach this level in the next 1-2. Okay, it should be another higher low if you have 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. I mean, multiple 1-2s. But we have already got invalidated, so we just can ignore this scenario anyway. But what we cannot ignore is this price action. This is your corrective price action, guys. I do not see any 5-wave structure here. All right, that makes me the highest probability to think about this being a contracting diagonal here, which is your ending diagonal in a 5-wave structure. We were counting this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we also can count this as A, B, C. So that's your first wave in a ABC, a second wave in a ABC, a third wave in a ABC, because I can count this as ABC, like A, B, C, sharp correction for the B wave, another ABC to the upside. You can call it WXY or ABC, but this is a damn 3-wave structure, okay, for me. Now we need that 4th wave. And 4th wave invalidation is that parallel channel. So let's say the parallel channel we draw from here this way, and the invalidation is that green line, guys. The bottom green line is your invalidation. So the next bottom can come slightly higher than this green line, like here or like here even, but it has to be a contracting diagonal. I am not in short because I was sleeping when this price action happened. So whoever caught this one, congratulations to you guys. But I'm not going to let this price action just move down without me being in it. Okay, I will somehow get into the short. So the ones who did not get into the short, I'm going to talk about this right now. And this is for you guys, okay? Because same like me, maybe some other guys in the community are also sleeping. Okay, this price is moving down aggressively. Actually, you can see that multiple red candles on 1 hourly chart. So let's get into 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what we have here cooking. Okay, this is your trend. Let's use the precise price for the magnet with the magnet. Okay, so let's use your fib levels also from the top to the current bottom. So what do we have? You can see this trend line here. This is also aligning around that 50% level, 0.5. So this is one of the area where you can get into short with this retest to this uptrend, right? And the another area is around this 0.618 to 0.66. This is more interesting zone for me, okay, for a short. Because now what we are doing is playing only that ABC correction. Okay. Let's A, a B, a C, something like this, because we are in that ending diagonal. Don't forget, we can have another push up higher from here this is your first wave, second wave. Again, I'm drawing the same thing, 3, 4, 5, right? So we can get another push up higher. That is the higher probability, guys. Why I'm saying this, the highest probability, is because this wave here again is a 3-wave structure. So I'm expecting this can come down lower, but it has to come up higher and take this high. Unless there is another scenario, which I'm going to talk about it next. Okay, the short I already explained. Draw your fib levels from the top and take that trend line as well, and keep also this trend line here, okay, and check where those. First of all, you need to have a bottom to get into a short, but I would still wait for the price action to play out. Okay, first of all, you need to have a bottom and a top, and then you take that fib levels, and then you check for those levels around 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.66. Mind you, the price can go up higher even until 0.9 and then reject. That could be also happening, okay, for our ABC structure. So now that we have already explained that one, I want to talk to you about another scenario which could be playing out. And that could be the top is in here with this 5-wave up, and we have A, B, C correction. Okay, let me show you. Okay, A, B, C correction. Maybe come down, take out this low. Let me use the fib extension from this top to this bottom to this top. Yep, can come down to take out this lows, and that is your 1618. Even can come down and touch this order block here in that mid 74k region. Okay, so this is another scenario, or it can even come down here, take out this liquidity 1-to-1, and then massively move up higher. That is a possibility as well, guys. Okay, because this is a 3-wave structure here. This is your 3-wave structure. I'm expecting the price to chop a little bit here, a ABC correction, and then can go up higher. Or this is your another scenario. The moral of the story here, okay, what I'm trying to tell you guys is this is not a finish. For me, this thing is not a finish, guys. This is choppy 3-wave structure, and I do not want the price action to finish with this top here. Definitely this is a bearish SFP. Whoever took this, congratulations to you. You have a significant retrace here, okay, from 81.3 to 79.7. It's almost like $1,500, right? So you can take your profit, adjust your stop loss, and let it ride. Yeah, but what I'm trying to say here is you need to pay attention that this is a 3-wave structure. This is not a 5-wave structure. Okay, I do not see, and this is not a multi 1-2-1-2 as well. So I can delete this one now, and bearish SFP can stay. So, and also when you go into slightly zoom out this zone here, if you see this entire move up here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Okay, this is good. This is really good that I can see this wave here as a B, C, a 3-wave structure. Okay, or you can still have this A, B, C to the downside and another move up to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you guys see this? So from here, this is your 1, 2, and entire this. Okay, I made a mistake. One more time. So entire this move up is your 1. Sorry, here, and this is your 2, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes your 3. And now we need that larger correction to the downside as a 4th wave, and then we have another high. So now we have completed that C wave. Can you guys see? This is a 3-wave structure, guys. Still a damn 3-wave structure. You might have this impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have impulse. You can have impulse in the C wave. But still, in total, this is your A, B, C. Unless we get another move from the top here, a larger correction or a sideways correction. But this 1-2 structure here, the 2 haven't retraced deep. So I'm expecting a deep correction for a fourth wave and then another move up. Now this is more interesting for me because it becomes your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have an impulse in total. And then I can look for a 3-wave correction to the downside. And then massive move to the upside, guys. Maybe then I can consider the bear market bottom being in. But since we do not have this price action, this is a damn 3-wave structure for me. And I'm expecting the move. If this was the top here, this will be the top. I mean, if it is a top, then we can have a larger move down from here. Even come down and sweep the lows. Okay, if this is a 3-wave structure. Okay guys, so let's not get too much ahead of us. Let's analyze the price, what's happening locally. Okay, let's get into 15 minutes time frame again. And if you missed the short, I already explained how to get into a short once again. But the highest probability for me right now is we haven't topped. This is not topping signal. I do not want in the top to be a 3-wave structure unless it's a ending diagonal. If this is an ending diagonal, yes, I would like to see a 3-wave structure to finish this 5th wave. I'm talking about this 3-wave structure. A, B, C. A, B, C. Another A, B, C. Can you guys see this? A 3-wave structure, guys. In an ending diagonal, you get 3-wave structure, or you can get a 5-wave structure followed by 3 waves, 5-wave structure followed by 3 waves, 5-wave structure to finish. But usually what we get is a 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 up down. So we don't have that one, okay, in a ending diagonal. Now we have more price action on the top here. So once we finish with this 4th wave, and if I see something else playing out, okay, I will definitely update you guys. So this is a quick update on the Bitcoin chart. Congratulations to the ones who already get into the short here, and the ones who are thinking, oh, we missed the short. You might get another chance here. Okay, if I get this A, B wave up here, again, I have to draw the fib levels wherever this want to end here, and then it want to retrace to the upside. I'm going to get into a short, okay, and then write it down for a C wave. And then again, maybe I will get into a long as well for this ending diagonal. Longs are not in my interest right now because I'm looking for shorts. So shorts are my favorite at the moment. And if this wants to continue here, like impulsive move down, then I'm going to play that ABC structure which I talked about. And that is, we have finished our impulse here. We have a wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. And then I'm going to look for a massive long, guys. Okay, so just watch out for this fib extension as well. This is your bottom, this is your top here. So watch out for that 1-to-1. Come back down here and look at the reaction, what it's gonna have, what it's gonna do here. Okay, it should be a 3-wave correction or a 5-wave correction to the downside at this 1618. So look out for watch out for this reaction here, and trade safe, guys. Okay, trade safe and be safe, and as appreciation, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.